and next school boy a day. Hello, good morning. Udini baby aframe fi.
Good morning, madam. Me better me kaze free Asante Achimbreku.
Asante Achimbreku for Edamasi someone.
For GhanaNsem TV GH, message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Answer no. Say owo abrochri, anase owo Ghana ha. Na oye program bi ete say engagement, wedding, anase funeral. Na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a and for any entry ewo baby say cam hacks number no na eda screen ne so no
Bi kura na asa de index number na pick wo mo na say ye twa bi agu ono no school no qualify so obekọ school ntimi nye no na also call the second choice oni ni modern monti ochu school akese obekọ de ho nso ayema na ho na wobete ne yawo na wobekọ no ebia na nka niam mpo ye last year bedisia niam agi agu sika ni ho ana yare bia basa bia befenti sika ni ho na ye the list no prospectus ne mawa Nicholas obetimi the prospectus na to TV so amame a obi school be prospectus so hwe prospectus niam e wo so akwa akototo a na ese ode oba ni ko school free senior high school abeti ase de bia me kasa parents a o si free senior high school sinti media ma mo me ba ho ka no mo ma no ko wia ye mma ko e de tobo mo ye hwe se nkwada no be comfortable ti mo ma no ko school nko bokro no se nya sanso mo no mo involving those activities occultism ne krono ne adwama jantra ne ne ma na eno mo ye dididi other than that they can't survive at a point me back to senior high school na omo di branch breakfast and lunch ya mo amu breakfast and lunch ni bomba ko gisa nwumre no mbedidi wo se wo ba teenager a wo sua de wadu ni age afen na all hyehyɛ all shape no wo se sabre no only twice a day ado nam Sahara desert so ko Libya enti prospectus a ye de ama enkwada se ye de ama school bi we ye gomwa German Senior High School 2025-2026 academic year prospectus for boarding students enunie ye geniama na kadema ya trotro sefa bra no ni nyina guwo ho ena wa na wuyu so ani so ya tama me sa me fa mebo me bra wo school mu ha ba ye jeje washing powder ne ho anyina ye je mo je de ayedan mo je na mo de ayedan ye CEO salaries ene omo allowances ene benefits bi a omunya ye the teachers eye mfanto ho as a teacher for a ye adwuma omugina omo naso kire nkwada de anya hye obi atimi twero kenkan omo kra ye sisi omo yempa bi papa ma mo na se du hade a ye bebo mo punum menim sasa wo fase bi wo nana bi ekọ senior high school sa brei mu a term we mu a academic year mu a there you can relate better. Challenges by enamo femu ebra wode wabofra eko senior high school watimi de no call ana bibi ba ko mienu bi nti still oda so ewu fie obetimi adjoin the conversation no ena no pay obetimi do text message aba ye be kan enu aka ho sanso so ena Nicholas Bachobe headline no so ma me hu se obide apeguso SHS prospectus abreye oso betimi do de na base bibi wo mu a wo hwa na wonti ase ana se kye wadwen a obetimi e de abreye na ye behwem na ye nyina ye di ho nkomo by way I betche education minister adwensi so ye betche education director adwensi so ama mo hunu ohawa ewo ho aka ne nanka education directorate ye yi director afi ho no mo a nanka ye yi edi free teacher for no amu education ministry ho by according to your rank na ye yi wa free ho na so na ye ti hey ya politicizing us since the time of Yera Professor Amir Kunfi ye no from political class nim de ba wura ho no they say bibia say na ka kane no na ye omo technocrats na omo wo mu no omo anana nkomo education directorate ho ene ya sesa bibia we will take our time one day ni aba be discuss those challenges na emwa Ghana ya politicize bibia no that position must be reversed yansan fama omo no omo ankasa nhwe omo adwuma yemfa position no ma according to rank, not political appointment. Obetimi aba ma homa no so 0598987979 0598987979 any lines are yedi yejuma enano pay. Onso betimi de wadwen chaba na yede aka ho. Prospectus no niama no dɔɔso boroso na ɛkyerɛ wadwen a onso betimi de aba. The truth is, most schools has either own or are affiliated with hardware shops. That's why they keep demanding items like machetes, hose, brooms, mops, and cement bags from students every year just to enrich themselves. Roxanne John Norton Kintampo, and also the observation what they abreye ne anope and no also observation NSA. Obetimi frame 0598987979. Ofrefo odi kan aba mesrew dumu radio no kra, u TV no dum no na ne menkasa e wo phone so. Hello, good morning, ofrefo odi ni baby afrefi. Ofrefo entimi enyina soba you obetimi aba be bo me punu mo 0598987979 na yenni nkomo. Hello, good morning, ofrefo odi kan wudi any baby afrefi.
Nkaza free Kumasi.
Pacho wudi.
The fellow from Paul.
Of a friend point yet you no pay.
My master Morgan and Paul, you cry, maybe school fees now you try and one isn't you trio.
And one point your chair and I see a chairman abroso.
Is it here, Chairman Abuzu?
Opening what would do, baby, and now what for Sabia Quafi? For school bay.
Kumasi,
What do I need for more? Then your mamma to toy in no more cabay saying.
Kobe 400.
Pachoka 400, 400 say.
For 10 million.
4,000.
How much?
Obana Bema.
Bema.
Medase. Swabie and near my ye. Enti also bet me afra bemubi 0598987979 and next boy a day. Hello, good morning. Udini baby afra me fi.
Good morning, madam. I'm free Asante Achimbreku.
Asante Achimbreku for Damas someone joining you. I feel young queen anyway.
But your family goodness. Now, but Tama Yen school na and Tessa. Now, no. If we and I support to you, money, your Brahmano crowd, I west the crowd, my brother who school, we are in the prospectus in Libya, about 4,000 crowd. And I said, you walk on so and the crescent, I call to talk on it, a car even sharp or crowd, and I say, speedy back, or just on it, I just went yaka. For how long that I call in your crown as about 10 years a crown when you're that speed and I have when I'm not calling you 50. School fees media and I was here because we teachers in school fees to be different to the ending.
So, that's what shower experience with us. So, me, our boss. Good morning, madam. Please, most of the items on the prospectus list are for the student usage. Please check well. And yenim na dia na school no edema wo mo a enti bibia wasam kwada no yusu no wo man kasa no mo topeni eho ena nkomo no General Clement Jan 77. Thank you for your message. Hello, good morning. We dey any baby afre me fi.
Hello, good morning. Himbaka San Pimichao. We did the Ghana first because I will pronounce.
Okay, Ghana.
They are Kosovo offense. Secondary school. I'm not a Kodogona secondary school. In Kodambi Kasai and Michelle. No mom to no school and the Sayadi. Are they? No more to Kososa. Yes, free education. Muba Beshimukina. And your politics lie. Intimating Kakasagana first. As some of my home for no motor. Koto send you baby na ade eden one mo de ade secondary school no moto ama ye fence en kwada na sa wo na e kwa se ekwasa ese se mo Ghana fo obi ahoto no enu nti na Ghana first ekasema onabo akompa ku ka Japan se eye 31st
Oh, yate yera compare ko Canada Japan da sepa Ghana first. Hello, good morning. Udi any baby I will frame me fee. Eka secondary school san kwada yi kwei. Prospectus aye de ma wo mo eni o ma wo mo toto bebre ehun komo na ye di eti o.
Hello, good morning. Pacho me friend Koko, friend Emmanuel J.
Okay, Emmanuel J.
Yeah.
Emmanuel J Nkoko me pacho ye ti o.
Oh, na me so me bisa say this students na I say omo to market prime ne ma omo so bucket no time no ma ko use wo school ho.
Mira mi tie wo mi no nyina na ye bisa.
And to bisa my no say yes day student ono so to bucket I dey mo boa. Time be no ko mo bo na ko mo bo no e wo hefa.
Medasepa the students o munyina tom of the bucket ni bi eno so eya sembisa foforo kra yes nkwala ni hia ne ma o makasa de be o mba yusu o mo ho na ye bisa say de no ebro so eye bucket ni ne ma bi a ekeka ka ho no Minister Pio eno say my dear you are doing very well punch hard, but remember, you go explain tire. Me da say, catch her we say me do. But you bet me afraid about my line so afraid for chat so cry na yemfa afraid jumade no ensi ha. Prospectus na ma for DP na aba na eyasem. Hello, good morning. Would any baby afraid me fee?
The family Amasantua is very kumase.
Ma Santua, catch meet you.
Amasantua. It's very kumase. It's also Nana Enya St. Louis Secondary School. And also, yes, one to Akunya born 1,500. Akunya 1,500. Apart from the name of the union, I was Antakunya. I was 1,500.
Akonya no akwada betra so classroom no jiso o
aka. I was school 1,500. St. Louis Secondary School.
Das Masantoa waba mu kwaso na boa oba no na baby achia no yaso ye de ano betum bi kwesi say ebetene enti education ministry na fe education directorate muntie yes St. Louis school akonwa allegedly etua 1,500 Ghana cedis ansa na kwadanya akonwa a obetena so enti ana mabo akire de amaye yes school no se de be ya awofo ho be ha o munti school fees kra mo muntua but o muntua akonwa ka 1,500 na akane na aba yakwa ban school no na ban school fees yesen kakra bi o na enu ahi bia de na ye di bom kọ at once say no na na ye dadwo be wonya wura mu wi a na enya den enti se na wo se awura na still ye boka ma wo so obi de ne de aba o se onu mpo de 4,000 Ghana cedis 3,500 enu omu kokotua ya o de ne prospectus a o to ye nyina e de aka ho. Hello Angel Mpacho Matewase manfo from Akrofoso or say even every team they will have to bring everything again. There's a term bia I was so signed but good morning madam, I sent my small brother to school yesterday. They let me pay 700 Ghana cedis before getting the prospectus. Is that necessary, madam? It's not necessary. And so one more AJ Nina Yebeka, yes, teachers Yebeka, teachers ACC parents and so Yebeka, please. It is never free education now. The old fees used to include sports fees, mowing fee, PTA fee, and others. But now they don't say school fees, but they have broken it down into smaller parts. One question I ask, is the government aware of this? If yes, then they didn't continue the free education. If no, then people need to be accountable. Me pachonya aba we mreso no aka se omo ametoaso. Dada danyina sa na tie bia fe na wo hu. Dave account, thank you for sending us the prospectus. Nyamisha opa se mo bo amaye nyina ye hunu de ekoso. Our parents should also understand that after those prospectus, they will not pay for anything else again till they complete school. Compare that to paying fees for 3 years. Na say ye tua na twice boom no eno ne ohaw no a e fo see yi every one. Good morning. When I sent my daughter to Mprayeso senior high school, I spent almost 6,000 cedis. And when we got there, they insisted on us buying her some textbooks, which is far expensive than those ones sold outside the school. Also, no allegation, no. Me pacho when allegation say, "School your body na entisa." You can reach us na in church mama amasanti. Please, good morning. This is the official prospectus. There are in divisions or categories and not together. Okay, Obinso sending it dia maye a art farm enterprise. Okay, thank you so much for sending it to us. A lot. Nipa be the challenges are one more from waba. Schools are selling items to new students. After admission, they are mandated to buy all items from the school only. I have spotted one school in Sunyani. Thank you. We saw a Kinso and Wade Abba. Good morning, Angel FM. All the items listed in the prospectus are essential and directly benefit to the student themselves. It appears we are becoming a bit too complacent in our approach, even though the current economic situation is challenging. However, the question remains, even if we pay school fees, wouldn't we still need purchase these same items? So the big question is, are we asking the government to pay for all the basic things? And senka yeche agunkwada no school fees so say school be here more buckets ene ne nkeka ho a anka kwada ba ku bia sika ndrudu odo to more bucket no anka at least e be chemba 10 ama kwada na tuamu 1 akwada ba ku bia tuamu 1 na school no enya about me fan say 10 more buckets a e wo school mu ha omo be yusu eno ho asem na ye can we thank you for your contribution. Also, good morning Angel News. My name is Elson. And once a student of Swedro Senior High School, I was informed today when the free senior high school freshers came in. I can confirm that in those periods, the mattresses that was given to the school has been kept in confined place. Yes, a school no will be. Now ya pack here go. Ni ya shamu say ni ya say Muslim school fees there. Monfa mo demra abusia yesi yedi adwen de chia ye be hwe so fra monkoso a enfa prospectus ne enenkeka ho nemra ye beka ni nyina bo matu so na monse de be ya ye nyina ye ho beto yen ye fa seda ma live boy